Hey, welcome back. In the last couple of videos, we have discussed about the JavaScript conditionals. We have discussed about the if statement and the else if statement. In this video, we will discuss about the else statement in JavaScript. Okay. And here, one thing to point out is that we can have multiple else if statements here as well. So if I just do something like this, 15, okay, then we can do good day, and then what I can do, I can just copy paste this one here. Okay, I don't want to do something like this. Else if time is 20, so good afternoon. Okay, and then let's do have a good afternoon. This code is totally valid. Okay, so we are having 8, let's do 10. We are still having a good day. Okay, all right, then what I can do, I can do 15. Okay, less than 15. Then we are having this one, right? So let's do 16 here. Okay, then we are having good afternoon. So these conditions are totally valid. All right. Okay, so we can have multiple else if statements here. So here, as you can see, we can add multiple else if statement, right? So I can add another one. So if I just do something like this, okay, all right, and do something like 24, then good night, and have a good night. Okay, all right. So as you can see, it should be less than 24. Okay, and from 0 to 24. So if I just do something like this, let's do 23, not 12, 23. So as you can see, we are getting good night. Hey, have a good night. Now the time can be something like this, 100, right? And in that case, the greeting is high, right? So time can be 100. So what exactly happens here? So this 100, this condition is not true, this condition is not true, this condition is not true, and this condition is not true. So the whole if and the else if blocks are not run, right? None of these conditions matches. So in that case, what we can do, we can add the else statement here. So after doing all of this, we can do else and just else. Okay, then we do not do something like this. We do not add a condition. We are saying like, hey, check for all of these conditions at first. If you are not able to match any of these conditions, then what I can do, I can do something like this. Console log, let's do invalid time. Okay, and then what I can do, I can set the greeting once again. Greeting to something like this. Hey, set the time from 0 to 24. Okay, all right. As you can see, we are getting invalid time. Hey, set the time from 0 to 24. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, right? So here we are writing the whole conditionals here with the if statement, then else if statement, and at the end, if none of the condition matches, then we will go to the else block here and we will run the code inside of the else block. I hope that makes sense. So this is the else statement in JavaScript. Okay.